You created a digital product. Posted a few times. And then nothing happened. So now you're wondering. Is it the product? Or is it you? No one told you this part. Creating the product was never the hard part. Getting people to see it is. And most beginners don't realize they skipped that step. So they sit there refreshing, waiting for something to happen, with no real way for it to. It's not that your product isn't good. It's that no one is finding it. Because posting isn't the same as being discoverable. If your content disappears after a few hours, how would the right person ever come across it? And if they never see it, how could they ever decide to buy? This isn't a product problem. It's a visibility problem. Step 1: Build for discovery, not just posting. Start thinking about how people find content, not just when you post it. This shifts you from hoping to being searchable. Step 2: Use search-based platforms. Platforms like Pinterest or YouTube don't rely on followers. Your content can be found days, weeks, even months later. Step 3: Create content around problems. Don't just show your product. Talk about the problem it solves, that's what people are searching for. Step 4: Repeat what gets seen. If something starts getting attention, don't move on too fast. That's your signal of what people are actually looking for. Now instead of guessing, you understand what's actually happening. You're not just posting anymore. You're creating ways to be found. And that changes everything. Before you even make your next product, your product didn't fail. It just wasn't discoverable. If this helped you see things differently, you can start there. And if you want a simple breakdown of how to actually get seen, it's available. If not, just don't rush into creating again.